A smile is a happiness you will find right under your nose. Can you tell me why? Because right under our nose we have lips to smile to show our happiness. Children, in this session we will go through the poem Noses, written by Aline Fisher. The poetess Aline Fisher was an American writer and poet. As the name indicates, this poem is describing one of our important body parts, that is nose. Children, as you know that we have 5 sense organs. They are skin, tongue, eyes, ears and nose. This poem is about our one of the sense organ, nose, which help us to breathe and smell. Let's start with the poem. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. In this poem, there is a girl who is looking in the mirror and finds her nose is the funniest thing. Here, funniest means most humorous. She thinks her nose is the funniest because it is growing and becoming bigger in size. The girl also notices the 2 little holes in her nose. Children, do you know what we call these little holes in our nose? These holes are called nostrils. These nostrils or holes are used for breathing. Here, breathing means the process of taking air into and expelling it from lungs. Breathing is the most important process to live. That is possible because of our nose. Now, next stanza is, I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. In this stanza, the girl is again looking in the mirror and noticing her chin and starting point of her hair and thinking that her nose is in the center of her face. Her nose is not spared any extra space on her face. Here, spare means an area that is empty. So the girl noticing that because of her nose, there is no area left on her face. She also feels that her nose is placed in the middle of her face, between her chin and head, just like a handle onto a door. Here, handle means a part of something that is used for holding or opening it. She compares her nose with a handle because all the other features of face are accordance. Only the nose sticks out of the face. So it comes out like a handle in the door. Next stanza is, if ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In this stanza, the girl is saying that if ever you want to giggle and shout. Here, giggle means to laugh in a silly way. The girl said that whenever you want to laugh in a silly way or make a noise, then you don't have to find any reason, but you have to look in the mirror, and what you have to do is simply look at your nose and you notices that it has come out on your face. And this will be the best reason to laugh. So children, in this poem, the girl looks at the mirror and finds her nose is the funniest thing. She also compares her nose with a handle and find it a reason to smile. Now next are Rhyming words. Children, do you know what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which have same sound at the end, and they usually at the end of the lines in the poem. Let's find out rhyming words from the first stanza. Just look at the last words of each sentence. They are mirror, nose, thing, grows, shows, the, and goes. And words that rhyme are nose, grows, shows, and goes. In next stanza, last words of the each sentence are mirror, there, chin, here, there, nose, and there. Here rhyming words are there and here. In next stanza, last words of each sentence are want, shout, what, about, doubt, nose, and out. Here words that rhyme with each other are shout, about, doubt, and out. So children, do you also think that nose is a funny feature? I think nose is very important part of our face as it improves our face value. Don't you think so? Thank you and have a nice day.